Oh, look who's here. Oh, look who's here. I love that kind. Car show time. So we're going to walk around and see what's going on. 72 Buick GS. I can't see because these windows are up, but this is sweet. I mean, look at this top, man.
It's got the New York blue plate on it.
Oh, God, look at this. This obviously is repainted, but look at that. Not a fucking pit in the.
No, even with the sun, nothing.
Damn, not a fucking blemish. Unreal.
That plate.
The old school plate.
That pops it off.
Look at that. 1072. I guess they used to put the inspection on the plate back in the day.
There's an error where they did the sticker.
Nice.
Oh, and it has the same windows. The back roll down.
Yeah.
It has the same opera lights.
This is fucking flawless.
Is that what it's called? Opera lights?
I got a couple scratches in the glass, but
It's not opera lights.
the lights in the back are opera lights.
Okay.
Maybe opera windows. I don't know. This was totally redone, but not a fucking spot on this thing. Unbelievable. Gorgeous. Fucking right. Charger.
Oh, look at Hot Wheel.
Yes. Gorgeous. Hot wheel plate. Here's a Duster. But he's certainly got a 340 in it. No slant 6 in that guy. Junkyard Dick 9. I don't know. All muscle. Alright. Oh, ESS. What is historical plate? Okay. What do we got here? What do we got? 7.
Maybe it's for sale, you know?
Oh, you gotta know. Oh.
This is what I would want to really...
It's got that ass on it. Right, it's got that ass. Right. Fox right there. $440 in this one. Yeah, this is all done up. Nah. I like it original. Newer cars. Look at the paint job on this thing. And look how damn low. That's like an inch off the ground. If you're gonna do it, you gotta do it right. Like this is doing it right. Venerable Camaro. Why Chevrolet? Z28. It's 4-barrel. It's nice, but you know, electric cooling fan, it just didn't exist then. I don't know. It's just me. Electronic ignition, of course. He did all the upgrades. Chrome master cylinder. Oh, shifter like the Buick. Gauges tab. And over here, oh yeah, look at that dash. '73 Pontiac Ventura. These are, you don't see these very often. DP time. 64. Oh yeah, look at that dash. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. That's more my speed. You know, all the Chinese gauges just don't do it, but Chevy Nova, it's a Chevy 2. Oh, he's got a plate also, 73 Sprint. Together with an XL. What do we have here? Oh man, Look at the fucking chrome on this thing. Unbelievable. Look at that shine. Damn. But again, you know, they overdo the whole engine bay. 66 Pontiac. Allegedly an Edelbrock carb. Look at the shifter. It's in very, very nice shape.
Gas and tolls and eating and staying, you know, in a hotel.
Imagine this being your daily driver.
But still,
Mustang.
insurance and, you know, gas and everything else.
I guess that was the early rollover switch for the fuel pump.
He literally went through
This
five gallons.
This is a little out of control.
And one week. Well, it's actually 3 days. Yeah. Friday was, you know, like the testing. Saturday was qualification. Sunday was,
This has the Duncan upgrade on the radiator. That's cute.
What is that? Toha, 100.
Yeah.
You were hot if you had
This is
Toha.
nuts. This is crazy shit.
I mean, even normal 13
Now,
you know,
this on the other hand.
stackers and haulers
This is a new vinyl top, but look at the shine on that.
you know, you figure NHRA, you know.
With the red, look at the black and the red, man. Fuck. Oh.
Not a GTO, Tempest. Okay? What's all the Tempest with a turbo? Had a fucking two-car hauler. You know,
Camaro with a 350. Interesting gauge. Put it outside the car. Love the orange though. This thing is out of control also. Jesus. You get too close to that belt, you are losing a limb. That's nuts. I seem to think I've seen this car. I don't remember if it was this one, but yeah, nitrous. Look at the padding in the trunk.
I think it'll blow people. Nobody like that.
That's a get out of my fucking way horn. Not bad. Horn blasters. Best place to put it too. That's not bad. More trucks. I got a big dick truck now. How you doing? I got a green Ram. Green Ram Bam. Ram Bam, thank you, man. Mopar. You know, you look at this car and it's only got a 3.6. It's like, I know now it's a lot more horsepower and certainly puts out plenty and more than you could ever imagine. Of course, the K&N air filter, you know, that bumped up the horsepower at least 50 right there, because we all know how that works. The bigger your air filter, the more horsepower you make believe you get. It's a 392 Hemi. We're talking.
No, I agree. I would be more of like get up and go to work or somewhere. That's my type of vehicle.
Oh, it's the Purple People Eater. Oh, look at that cover. Oh. Done up.
Yeah.
It's a good car. It's forward. Somebody's got to go to a car show today. Oh, this guy just showed up before. I don't know if I got it. Love the fuzzy dice though. And the Ford guy was here. I forget if I got video of them showing up.
My wife wants to take it to a tropical island.
This is a lot more original in here. All right. Listen to that falcon go.
Yeah, I know.
He's got the Cooper Cobra tires. I saw this guy show up.
I tried to put her down. She's not ready for that yet.
67.
Even now that you see Ben running around. They also running around.
It was like that dark green in the army colors. But it looked really nice on phone.
Yeah, certain cars will do this color.
The Jaguar. What the size of that? These tires.
Good. Good luck.
Look at how deep that is. Oh wow. That's just something.
We have a Wally cop.
Because I hope it's pumped out.
Oh, the white.
That's me now. I didn't do that before. Right hand lane.
A lot of newer stuff here. The old green. Oh, I think there's a Grand National. Oh, the Challenger. 6.1 at least.
Let's go get some.
That's an old. Here's the inside of this. Look at those gauges. See if I can zoom in. There it is. Look at the plush interior on this.